in a while, and till now it was ensured that the ignition chain has remained safely isolated.
That's right, Vaidehi. For the viewers who are very curious for this, the head mount safe arm mechanism, which we refer to as
T minus 4
HMSA,
minutes.
is a safety device which is well mounted at the head of our solid rocket motors. And the whole job of this device is to safely isolate the pyrotechnics from the rest of the solid grain. And the reason why we do that is for safety, to prevent any accidental ignition from, let's say, lightning strikes. We do have a cloudy day today, and of course, we have lightning suppression systems. We have 4 lightning towers on the first launch pad. But there can also be some form of electrical runaway. There can also be static discharge. So to safeguard all these devices from electrical discharges, we have a mechanical separation between the pyro devices and the solid rocket motor.
Right, so yes. So till now, the ignition system,
T
it
minus
was
3
in
minutes.
a protective, non-firing state, but now it's going to move on to a state wherein once the mission computer gives the ignite command, it can initiate a pyrotechnic chain of events.
That's right. And we're at T minus 3 minutes, and we have confirmation that the stage 1 head mount safe arm mechanism, or the stage 1 HMSA, has been successfully armed.
This basically means that our motor is now ready to ignite.
That's really great to hear. Along with this HMSA safety mechanism, we have one more layer of safety, which we call the FTS or the CDS, Command District System, or the Flight Termination System. This is utilized when if the vehicle during its flight mode tries to or like deviates from its intended flight trajectory, then the range safety officer can take a call to destruct the vehicle to safeguard the resources around it.
T minus 2 minutes.
That's right. As is with the case with any launch vehicle, we always prioritize safety. And with that in mind, we have all of these systems set up on the vehicle. We are now entering to condition the liquid stages on Vikram 1. So the orbital adjustment module is now conditioning itself and preparing for liftoff. So we are nearly at T minus 1 minute,
All stations.
and
Stand by for the
we will
timer.
leave you
T
with
minus
the
1 minute.
views of Vikram 1 and join you shortly at liftoff.
Minus 55 seconds. Minus 50 seconds. Minus 45 seconds. Minus 40 seconds. Minus 35 seconds. Minus 30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
Minus 25 seconds. Minus 20 seconds.
Minus 20 seconds is the call out now.
Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And we have liftoff of Vikram 1, India's first private orbital launch vehicle. And we have great views coming from the
Plus 10
tracking
seconds.
cameras. And isn't this quite something?
विक्रम 1 ने अपनी उड़ान भर ली है। प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन प्रारंभ हो चुका है। विक्रम 1 ने प्रक्षेपण पथ को लांघकर आकाश को भेदने का निर्णय ले लिया है एक ब्रह्मास्त्र की तरह।
That's very true, Suyash and Akhil. I am awestruck at the sheer power that stage 1 is producing.
Plus 30
With
seconds.
this, we have two of our major prime mission objectives completed, which was successful ignition and safe tower clearance.
That's right, and we're coming up on max Q now, which is the period of maximum aerodynamic pressure, where the vehicle faces its largest aerodynamic loads as it flies through this zone at Mach 1.5 at an altitude of nearly 9 kilometers.
विक्रम 1 ने सफलतापूर्वक मैक्स
Sharvan
क्रूज
Menato.
क्षेत्र पार कर लिया है और
Plus 1 minute. Short to Minato.
दल काफी उत्साहित है इस समय और विक्रम 1 प्रथम चरण के आगे बढ़ रहा है और हमें श्रीहरिकोटा व पोर्ट ब्लेयर पृथ्वी स्टेशन से मजबूत दूर संकेत मिल रहे हैं जो
S1
बहुत ही
performance
अच्छी
normal.
खबर है.
That's right, we are at a downrange distance of 22 kilometers with an altitude of 34 kilometers. And on your screens right now are excellent onboard camera views from the vehicle.
And we can also see quite nominal chamber pressure values on the MCC screen.
The vehicle is currently at an altitude
And-
of 50 kilometers.
और यहाँ पे प्रथम चरण का प्रतिकरण हो चुका है और द्वितीय चरण का प्रज्वलन भी प्रारंभ हो चुका है.
This
S1
is quite a
separated,
major
S2 motor
achievement for the
ignited.
nation, with the vehicle successfully
Plus 2 minutes.
separating stage 1 and the ignition of stage 2 as well.
द्वितीय चरण अपना सफलतापूर्वक कार्य पूरा कर रहा है और प्रथम चरण का दहन अथवा प्रतिकरण समाप्त हो चुका है.
The vehicle is at an altitude of 89 kilometers, traveling at 2.6 kilometers per second. Of course, our target velocity for today is 7.6.
S2 performance normal.
We've just heard call out that the S2 performance or the stage 2 performance is nominal.
ये एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण है पूरे भारत और निजी अंतरिक्ष यात्रा का.
This vehicle has crossed 100 kilometers of altitude, which is the notion of edge of space, and we have reached space, guys.
Congratulations,
Hello, sir.
Vikram 1 is in space.
हमारा यान अंतरिक्ष
Plus 3
तक पहुंच चुका है.
And we've had callouts of separation of the payload fairing. We have successful payload fairing separation.
It's
Payload-
nearly at an altitude of 120 kilometers, and the protective fairing is no
S2
longer required
separated.
and has been cleanly separated from
S3
the launch
motor
vehicle.
ignited.
और यहाँ पे द्वितीय चरण का भी प्रतिकरण संपन्न हो चुका है और तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन भी प्रारंभ हो चुका है.
That's right, Akhil. We've had successful ignition of stage 3. The vehicle is currently at 157 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is 355 kilometers downrange, traveling at nearly 4 kilometers per second. Now, the
S3
telemetry
performance
will
normal.
switch over from Shar to Port Blair and further to Bogor.
अब यान अपनी अंतरिक्ष यात्रा पर निकल चुका है. तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन चालू है और उसकी
Plus 4 minutes.
प्रतिक्रिया नियमित रूप से चल रही है.
And as you can see on your screens, we have near exact following of the intended trajectory. The two dotted
SVP
the two
Valento
lines
are
on your
tracking in
screen
main auto.
essentially indicate the current performance of the vehicle, and it closely matches with prediction. This is on your screen on board from stage 3. What you see is the rocket plume and the nozzle, and Earth, our home.
What a beautiful view. क्या सुंदर दृश्य है हमारी पृथ्वी का.
S3 performance normal.
और तृतीय चरण का परफॉर्मेंस अब नॉर्मल है या कि सामान्य रूप से तृतीय चरण का संचालन प्रारंभ हो चुका है और चल रहा है.
That's right. We've had call out that the stage 3 performance is nominal.
Plus 5 minutes.
So stage 3 has a propellant loading of 2.5 tons, and we've had burnout of the stage 3 motor as planned at
S3
T plus
burnout.
5 minutes. Yes, we've gotten confirmation that S3 has burnt out, and now we're entering a planned coast period, something that lasts for 140 seconds, in which it's called as combined
Combined
coast.
coasting is normal.
Right, so we've got call out that the combined coast is nominal. This will last for roughly 140 seconds. where stage 3 is not producing thrust, but it's connected to the vehicle and it's going to coast as a single body. All of this is done to manage the altitude of the vehicle and also control where the stage will re-enter the Earth's atmosphere before splashing in international waters
Plus
in a
6
safe
minutes.
and planned manner. And jubilant views from the launch control center, where the teams are extremely elated and excited.
और मिशन नियंत्रण केंद्र और लॉन्च नियंत्रण केंद्र से आपको दृश्य दिखाई दे रहे हैं। सभी यान परीक्षण दल अत्यंत ही प्रसन्न है और यहाँ पर जो प्रसंग है वो एक उत्सव का प्रसंग बन चुका है, एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण भारत के निजी अंतरिक्ष उड़ान का। विक्रम-1 यान अब अंतरिक्ष में
Actually, we are very happy to see the launch, like first Indian private rocket into orbit. And I want to say that hard work, it speaks. Hard work speaks. Yes, everything is normal, everything went well. And I should thank like our CEO, Pawan, and co-founder, Bharat.
Surya, this is the first time a private rocket has been launched. You from the team of Skyroot, where was your work all about? And
Like they have started from scratch, and now they have went into the orbit. So we are very much proud to be a part of Skyroot.
and there was 5 minutes or 10 minutes delay. Was there been
Our hearts was pounding like anything, our heartbeats went high. We can't express that moment, how we felt, that 5 minutes, the delay that took our hearts. Seriously. We felt like, I can't,
We can't
express that moment. But right now, we are so happy. We are so happy, we are somewhere. I'm short of words, man. Seriously.
day before yesterday we came and we saw the launch pad and we see your team has been working here
Yes,
day and night.
yes. It's, a lot of people, everyone put their heart, their soul into this project. And especially Pawan Chandra and Nagabharat, they worked like anything, they made this dream, come true. This is a dream come true moment for them, seriously. All of them, all Skyrootians. Yeah, I'm Sairam and I'm part of admin operations. Yeah.
So, my name is S. Dileshwar Rao. I am working with Skyroot from last 4 years, and it's a very happy moment for me and a proud moment to me to be a Skyrootian. It's a amazing moment to me today. So, witnessing today, it's like in live. It's a dream coming true from ground to sky. It's awesome. It's I can't explain myself. It's like a goosebump roaming across my body. It's a very live session. It's my hearts are pumping like anything. So any point, and it was always a beat. It is going higher. It's a range is going higher. The altitude of the range is very high.
First time a private player in the
Yeah.
orbit. How you see this momentum and your team? How was they working here?
Yeah.
How was your work? We saw scientists, young scientists been working
Hmm.
day and night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been 8 long years where our young engineers were working together closely and very hard work, day and nights, no sleeps, nothing. It's a very dream coming true and all the hard work coming true. It's a great moment for us.
Particularly about this rocket, there are a lot of special specifications, whether it may be 3D design,
Yeah.
the carbon dated.
Yeah. Can
you just throw some?
It's a carbon composite motor casing. So it's a purely a carbon fiber made of carbon fiber. So it's lightweight basically. So